This is V from a Canadian RV, right? What I'm doing in this video is, well, I'm going to be changing my TST monitor. Now, I'm keeping all the old sensors on the tires, but what I wanted to do is move to this new one here. This is a touch screen, and they've really done a nice job on this unit. Now, why I'm changing to this unit? Well, here's my old unit. And this unit, the thing I couldn't get to work properly, or I don't know if there's even a setting on it, is I wanted it to be brighter. And the challenge here was, sure, right now when you turn it on, but you can see where it fades right away, and there's no way of controlling the brightness. Now, I did talk to the TST reps at the Tampa RV show, and they told me that, yeah, there is no way. It's there's a built-in sensor right there that supposedly picks up the light level and gives you the intensity of the screen. Now, you can see it's working right now. It's picking up some of the tires, but when I was talking to them about the intensity and the brightness and stuff, I also noticed that they had this unit right here. And this unit, of course, is totally touchscreen, and it's by TST and full color. And you can do a lot more things with it. I believe it tells you also the battery voltage of all your tires. Now, I haven't programmed this one yet, and what I'll do is, there's a great video by Techno RV that they really explain all the features in this, so I won't go through that because they do a great job of explaining the new features. But what I will do is I'll link it in the description, the video that I'm talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and start programming this one to all my tires. And what I'm going to do is, because I'm not going to take the tire monitors off the wheels, you go through the system here, and I'll power this up in a minute. And then what I'm going to do is right here, that sensor right there, you walk around and you put the sensor that you're programming close to that point, and it will recognize it. Now, I can go into this system here and get the code, but it'll just be too fast and too easy rather than typing all the codes in manually, just by programming them with this unit here. So that's what we're going to do, and this is the brand new screen. It's a touch screen, and I'm looking forward to powering it up. We're going to peel off the first part of it, and there's not much in this one. So all there is just a power connection and an on-off switch. So there's nothing else anywhere, no buttons, because it's a touch screen. So we're turning it on. You get the first boot up screen. It's the first time I'm turning it on. So there it is right there. And just to move along, and you see how simple that is, you can move back and forth just by touching the screen. The battery is full. If we want to exit, we exit it there. So there's where the configuration starts, but there's nothing there. So what I'm going to do is parameter settings, automatic coding, manual coding input. You can do all kinds of stuff. Pressure alert, swap out the tire location. So the nice thing about this one, if you rotate tires, you don't have to go in on this one, and actually you have to remove the program, put the new program back in the tire locations, where this one actually, now you can just rotate it within this. So a great system, time and date, vehicle ID, sensor battery voltage. It's also, and you can see the power unit, and depending on what you're going to use and how you're going to use it. So it's got a lot of features, but like I say, I'll link the description to Techno RV, and they explain this unit really nice because they're one of the dealers of TST. All right, so I'll start programming this, and I'll take you around to all the tires that I'm going to do, and we'll start the process. So let's go back here. The parameter settings that we want, of course, PSI. The high temperature is 158. Do we want in bar? No, we want pressure and Fahrenheit. So that's the exit and save. So we're going to save that, and now we're back to the main menu, but there's no tires there, so we're going to start the program. So let's go outside and start the program. I should also mention that this is the model TST-770 with a touchscreen, and it's also compatible with both the RV cap sensors, the hybrid sensors, the signal repeater, and I have 2 repeaters in the coach. They also do the internal sensors and flow-through sensors, so it does all of them. Now in the package what you get is, you can see here, you get a magnetic mount, which is really nice, your power charging cable, the same USB cigarette lighter, or you can power it off USB if you have a channel for that, or you can take it off a cigarette lighter, but it does all of that. So it is compatible to all of their older products, but as long as, I believe they're in the last few years, compatible with the 507 series. Yeah, it's right over in the corner here. Compatible with the TST-770 tire series monitoring system. So if you're thinking of, you're going to go from the older unit, this one right here. Well, this is not that old too. This is the color screen. Before that, they had a mono screen too. So there's that's been an upgrade to that. But the upgrade to this one, of course, is going to be a lot better because it's bigger screen, it's brighter, you can control everything, and it's all touchscreen, and it also tells you the voltage. So let's go inside. So you can see where we've now programmed some of the units. We've programmed them on the other side, and what we're going to do now, go back into programming, go into automatic coding, power unit, and you can see where the 2 yellow ones on the other side are already programmed. So I want to program, this is the other front tire right here. So what I do is I just go, the glare is pretty bad here, you just click on that one, you say learn, and you hold it up to the unit. There it is, it just picked up the code off it, and save and exit. So that one's now working. So now we're going to go back and do the other dualies on the driver's side. So here we are. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the inside dually. We touch on that. There it is. It's flashing yellow. You go to learn and power the unit. There it is. Picked it up. Save and exit. Now we're going to do the outside one. We touch on that. We say learn. We get close to it. There's the code. Save and exit. Now that they're all flashing yellow, you can see that. So now what we're going to do is just say exit, and there they are. We've got all our tires now. It's telling me the pressure and the tire temperature. So it's really quick. It programs very quick and easy. And so that's what I love about the TST-truck.com TST Truck Systems Technologies by PSI. Very nice. So looking forward to using this big screen that is now working perfectly.